2024 Top 5 Best Potato Masher. The KitchenAid Gourmet Stainless Steel Wire Masher is an excellent addition to any kitchen utensil collection. Made with high-quality plastic material, this wire masher is not only durable but also easy to handle. The matte black color adds a touch of elegance to the overall design, making it aesthetically pleasing. One of the standout features of this masher is its dimensions. With a length of 10.24 inches and a width of 4.8 inches, it provides ample surface area to mash potatoes, vegetables, and fruits with ease. The size is just right, allowing for efficient and comfortable use. Moreover, this KitchenAid masher is dishwasher safe, which is a huge convenience for everyday use. Cleaning kitchen utensils can often be a tedious task, but with this masher you can simply place it in the dishwasher and have it sparkling clean in no time. This feature definitely adds to the overall user experience. When it comes to performance, the KitchenAid Gourmet Stainless Steel Wire Masher.
Number 2. The Chefcraft Select Sturdy Masher is a reliable and high-quality kitchen tool that I highly recommend for anyone in need of a sturdy masher. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing reviews, I can confidently say that this product is a great addition to any kitchen. One of the standout features of the Chefcraft Select Sturdy Masher is its durable construction. Made from stainless steel, this masher is built to last. The stainless steel material not only ensures longevity, but also makes it resistant to rust and corrosion. You can trust that this masher will remain in excellent condition even after multiple uses. The sleek design of the Chefcraft Select Sturdy Masher adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. Its stainless steel and black color scheme gives it a modern and professional look. This masher will effortlessly blend in with your existing kitchen utensils and appliances. In terms of dimensions, the Chefcraft Select Sturdy Masher measures 3.25 inch.
Number 3. The OXO Good Grips. Nylon Potato Masher is a fantastic kitchen tool that offers both functionality and comfort. Made of high-quality nylon material, this potato masher is built to last and withstand the rigors of everyday use. The sleek black color adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor, while the OXO brand ensures reliability and durability. With a weight of 0.14 kilograms and dimensions of 10L into 3.75 W, this potato masher is compact and easy to store, making it a great addition to any kitchen space. One of the standout features of this product is its ergonomic design. The Good Grips handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, allowing for effortless mashing. The non-slip grip is particularly beneficial, as it prevents any accidental slipping or mishaps, ensuring your safety while you work in the kitchen. The nylon material used in the construction of this potato masher is not only durable, but also safe to use with various cookware, including non-stick pans and pots.
Number 4. The OXO Good Grip Stainless Steel Potato Masher is an exceptional kitchen tool that every household should have. Made with high-quality stainless steel, this potato masher offers durability and longevity that you can rely on. The stainless steel material not only adds a sleek and modern look to the potato masher, but also ensures that it is resistant to rust, staining, and corrosion. This means that you can enjoy its functionality and appearance for years to come without worrying about it deteriorating over time. The masher features an ergonomic handle designed by OXO, known for their innovative and user-friendly products. The handle is equipped with a non-slip grip, providing you with comfort and stability while using it. This thoughtful design detail ensures that your hands won't tire easily, making the mashing process effortless. With dimensions of 10.6 inches length and 3.4 inches width, the potato masher is compact enough to store in your kitchen drawers or hang on a utensil.
Number 5. The Farberware 5211438. Professional heat-resistant nylon meat and potato masher is a versatile and essential tool for any kitchen. Made from high-quality nylon material, this masher is designed to withstand high temperatures, ensuring its durability and longevity. The black color of the masher adds a sleek and modern touch to your kitchen utensils. It seamlessly blends with any kitchen decor, making it a versatile and stylish addition to your cooking tools. Weighing only 4.96 ounces, the Farberware heat-resistant nylon masher is lightweight and easy to handle. This feature allows for comfortable and efficient mashing, reducing the strain on your hands and making the process effortless. With dimensions of 11 inches in length and 2.5 inches in width, this masher provides an ideal size for mashing various ingredients, including meat and potatoes. The generous dimensions ensure that you can easily handle large portions without compromising efficiency.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.